Here we are back down at the river by Interstate 405, and you take a look down the stairs here and you can actually see that the water is going down a little bit compared to my video or short from yesterday. So, wow, at least that's a plus. Things are getting better. No need to panic, anybody, right? I don't know. But yeah, everybody just keeps driving right over the river. Day's normal, as long as the river is wide, right? Anyway, remember, stay safe. Have a good day.